Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Live. I'm your host Eyelash Next, and today we are diving into a very excited project, Leora. If you are passionate about the innovations and the real utility in Web3, then stay tuned because Leora is something you don't want to miss. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, and share this stream. I'm your host Eyelash Next. And creators economy platform Leora Trading Competitions is live. Join and share 2 million Leora reward. 2 August 2nd August 2025 11:33 UTC 69,460 views. Get is currently holding the Leora Trading Competition. Join right now and share the 2 million Leora reward prize pool. Leora Trading Competition. Join and share 2 million Leora reward. Event and 3 days, 44 minutes and 51 seconds. Okay, you can register now. And this is 2nd August 2025 17 and in 9 August 2025 17 UTC. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, Get is currently holding the Leora trading competition. Join right now and share the 2 millions Leora reward prize pool. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, and activity 1, raise the Leora trading leaderboard for the 1600000 Leora prize during the event. User who have no less than 5,000 Leora support trading volume can share the 1,060,000 Leora and reward based on their Leora support trading volume ranking. Okay, and ranking number 1,160, 1,60,000 Leora and minimum Leora trading volume 1,20,000. Okay, 12 lakhs, and number 2 1,30,000 Leora and minimum Leora trading volume per person 9 million. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, number 3 60,000 Leora and the minimum Leora trading volume 4 million, and 4 to 5 equally share 3 lakhs 20,000 Leora and the minimum Leora trading volume per person 5 lakhs, and other users share 9 lakhs 30,000 Leora based on support trading volume versions, and minimum Leora trading volume per person 5,000. Hi dear friends, please like, follow and share this stream. Thank you so much for joining me. And activity 2, exclusive benefit for newcomers, share extra 4 lakhs Leora reward, and during the events users who register the re- and reach support trading volume of 2000 of future trading volume of 10,000 will receive a 650 Leora reward. The reward total prize pool is 4 lakhs Leora first come first serve basis. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, activity 3, invite friends, share 4 lakhs Leora refer bonus. During the event, invite a friend to register and complete support trading volume of 2000 of future trading volume of 10,000 to earn a 150 Leora reward. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you can earn. Reward are distributed on a first come first serve basis. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you earn, and reward are distributed on first come first serve basis. Total referral 1 to 5 150 Leora person, and 1 6 to 20 200 Leora person, and 20 350 Leora persons. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And not all participants need to click the join 9 button and complete identity verification before the event end to eligible to reward. Number 2, trading volume to buy volume plus sale volume. Number 3, total reward for this event is 2 million Leora. Reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the competition end. Number 4, the use of duplicate account and any other cheating behavior such as inflations of trading volume, block registration of fake accounts. Self-trading orders and the matching etc. are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity verification information will be treated as the same account. Sub-account cannot participate in this activity. Number 5, market makers, corporate and institutional account, affiliated agent account, and sub-account agent partner account, and sub-partner account are not eligible to participate in this event. Number 6, if the user participates in other activities on Get simultaneously, they will not only receive the reward from one activity. Number 7, wherever any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, an English version shall prevail. And number 8, get reverse all right to the final explanation. Number 9, in this event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number 10, user in this United Kingdom and other restricted locations can now access the service, including the participation in this event or competitions. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. And we do not insist to solicit or conduct market towards customers in such as restricted locations. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much. And the competition period is 2nd August 2025, 12 p.m. and 9 August 2025 with 12 p.m. UTC. Activity 1, raise the Leora trading leaderboard for 1,060,000 Leora prize, and during the event, users who have no less than 5,000 Leora support trading volume can share the 160,000 Leora reward based on their Leora support trading volume ranking. My dear friend, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot. And ranking number one, and this is the ranking number one, reward 1,60,000 Leora and the minimum Leora trading per person 1,20,000, 12 lakhs. And number two, 1,30,000 Leora and minimum Leora trading volume per person 9 lakhs. Okay. And number three, 60,000 Leora and the minimum Leora trading volume 4 million. 4 to 5 equally share 3,000 and 3 lakhs 20,000 Leora and minimum Leora trading volume per person 5 lakhs, and other users share 9 lakhs 30,000 Leora based on support trading volume proportions and minimum Leora trading volume per person 5,000. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, trade now Leora pair with USDT activity 2 exclusive benefits for newcomers share extra 4 lakhs Leora reward during the event. New user who register and re-support trading volume of 2,000 of futures trading volume of 10,000 will receive a 650 Leora reward. The prize pool is 4 lakhs Leora first come first serve basis. And new user register future operating guides. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much. Okay, Leora pair with USDT and Leora is now currently trading at 0.01558 and Okay, and open price 0.01517 dollars and high price 0.14151417 dollars. Okay, 24 highest price 0.01738 dollars and 24 lowest price 0.01434 dollars. Okay, my dear friends, and MA5 0.01525 and MA10 0.01559 and MA30 0.01573 dollars and MA60 0.01548 dollars. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay. And activity 3, invite friends, share 4 lakhs Leora referral bonus, and during the event, invite a friend to register and complete support. Trading volume of 2000 of 2000 or future trading volume of 10,000 to earn 150 Leora reward. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you can earn. Reward are distributed on a first come first serve basis. Total referral 1 to 5 reward 150 Leora per person, and 6 to 20 200 Leora per person, and 20 350 Leora persons. Okay. Note: all participants need to click the join now and button and complete identity verification before the event end to be eligible for reward. And number 2, trading volume by volume plus sale volume. Number 3, the total reward for this event is 2 million Leora reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the competition. And number 4, the user the use of duplicate account and any cheating behavior such as inflections of trading volume, block registration of fake accounts, self-trading orders, matching etc. are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts with the same identity verification information will be treated as the same account. Sub-account cannot participate in this activity. Number 5, market makers, corporates, and institutions cannot affiliate with agent account and affiliate sub-agent account, partner account, and sub-partners account are not eligible to participate in this event. Number 6, if the user participate in this in other activities on gets simultaneously, they will not only receive the reward from one activity. Number 7, where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Okay, and number 8, caregivers are right to the final explanation. Number 9, the event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Number 10, user in the United Kingdom and other restricted area locations cannot seize the service, including the participation in this event competitions. See the user agreements for further details on restricted locations. We do not intend to solicit or conduct market towards customers inside restricted locations. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please, my dear friends, like, follow, and share this stream. And get team to 2nd August 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward and invite friends and earn up a 40% commission. Stay connect. Visit Get official website, download the Get app desktop and follow us on X Twitter account and to get more bonus and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights. Transparency and security check over 100% proof of reserves. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, this is a related article. And related article Get Alpha listed BLQP trade to shares 2790,000 bulb and airdrops. Get Alpha listed in the Bloop Whale and the Point Tokens Bloop and time limited airdrops bonus event live in the trade to share airdrops pool. Coin Blub and the full name Blue Whale Point token and the blockchain BNB chain and the contract address and project introduction Blue Whale in the point tokens and the BLQP dollars in Blue Whale in the official community first meme tokens connecting a global whale in the community with the AI and Web3 ecosystem. And the event features 6 August 2025 14 and 12 August 2025 15:59 UTC. You can join now and you must click the join now button, participate in this event and receive reward number 1 top 3. During the event, among users who trade Bulb in Gate Alpha Zone with a cumulative Bulb buy in the volume 5000 USDT, the top 3 by cumulative by volume get airdrops 37,200 Bulb and reward 2 top 200 win airdrops 3,000 9,300 Bulb and during the event among users who trade Bulb in Get Alpha Zone with cumulative bulb by volume 1000 USDT. The top 200 to cumulative by volume get airdrops 9300 bulb excluding the top 3 of reward 1. Reward 3 and trade check into the share 8 lakh 18,400 bulb and during the event and the daily cumulative bulb uh, by volume 64 USDT count as a successful check-in. Accumulated 3 plus check-in ins to share age like 18,400 bulb with reward proportional to your check-in days and the max reward per user 3,720 bulb. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, in checking trading statistics period 0000235959 UTC daily count as one check-in day. Reward 1 and reward 2 cannot be obtained separately. Reward 1 to reward 2 obtained together with reward 3. And how to participate in Get Alpha trading? Please go to the Get Alpha section search for develop and participate in trading. Disclaimer: the above tokens information and contribute by community auth assist for corrections. Please contact customer service promptly. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. How to participate in Get Trading? Please go to the Get Alpha section. Search for develop and participate in trading. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for advising me. Thank you so much. And disclaimer: the above tokens and information contributed by community and assist for corrections. Please contact customer service promptly. And attentions: all participants must complete the identity verification before they can receive reward. Number two, reward will be distributed within 14 working days after the end and for the event. Number three, user entering Get Alpha for the first time need to read and complete the invention transactions disclaimer and guide and sign the relevant user agreements. The tokens project of Get Alpha may have significant risk and fluctuations. So please invest consciously based on a full understanding of the risk. Hi dear friend, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And number four, black registration for small account malicious watch trading, self trading and other cheating behavior are strictly prohibited. Multiple account of the same verified user will be treated as the same account. Number five, if a user participates in multiple events during the same periods, the reward for multiple events participation are not support for duplicate claims, and only the reward for a single event participations are supported. Number six, thank you so much. If there is a discrepancy between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. And number seven, can reverse this all discretions and how to interrupt this event or activity, and has the right of modify relevant terms to cancel the event without a previous notice. And number seven, get reverse the in number 8, the event is not related to Apple Inc. Number 9, user in the United and other restricted areas cannot use all or part of the service, including participation in this event, games or competitions. For detailed information about restricted areas, please read user agreements. Please note that we do not institute politics or the market to customers in such as restricted areas. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, Candy Drop complete task to claim airdrops and 117.1k total participate and 1.46 million in total airdrops USDT. And how to earn. Select the projects you are interested in and complete the interactive in the task to earn candies. Number two, complete interactive in the task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn, and the better your chances getting airdrops reward will be. And number three, wait for airdrops. Check the reward distribution status and wait for the airdrops. And FAQs. What is the Candy Drop? Candy Drop is an airdrops in the computer and launched by the Get. Users can earn candies by completing tasks such as the participating in trading, depositing, and inviting friends, and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn. Increase your chance of winning airdrops reward. And number two, how to earn candies. The answer is you can earn candies by completing design destination task in Candy Drop task type, including trading specific tokens, airdrops, and more. Each complete task and will grant you a certain amount of candies. Welcome to everyone. Welcome, get users. Thank you so much. And how to verify the completions of the event task. After completion task, a platform will automatically verify it without requirement and the manual validation. You will see a promote and once the task is successfully completed. And question number four: when will reward be distributed? The answer is reward will be distributed to winner get account within working 14 days after the event and can be reviewed in wallet billing. Billing your detail users must complete identity verification before claiming reward. Number 5. Can the candies be accumulated for the next event? The answer is candies are exclusive to each event and cannot be carried over the next one. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Thanks a lot. And my dear friends, please vote for me. I'm your host, your friend, Ayla Shinex. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, and Launchpool. Quick staking and potential new tokens 408.1 stake and fundraise 34.97 billions and 6.12 millions plus in participating and estimate total reward estimate total reward 1.03 millions and all all ongoing 5 and upcoming and 290. My dear friend, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, my dear friends, about Launchpool. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their assets or provide liquidity or to earn reward. Is a new project. Tokens users can lock specific tokens in the Launchpool to receive corresponding project and reward. Join Launchpool now. And number two, how can I participate in Launchpool? The answer is first log in your account to get First, log into your Get account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose the projects you want to participate in the stake and your assets. Number 3. Which coin can I stake in Launchpool? The answer is the token eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. Okay, my dear friends, and then number 4. How many tokens will be rewarded? The answer is always taking reward individual latest and 1 over valid staking amount total pool and staking amount into all reward pool. System will take snapshots of individual staking amount each hours and take the average as the valid staking amount. Number 5. How the reward distributed? The answer system will take my snapshot individual staking amount is distribute tokens reward to eligible users. Early earning will be distributed into the user support account. Number 6. When will this take assets to be redeemed? The answer is after the user redeem in advance to or the staking is complete the stake assets will be transferred to simple and by default is the option is unchecked. The stake assets will be redeemed into the support asset if the amount is redeemed assets too small and does not meet the minimum subscriptions amount. If Simple does not support for subscription of the regime tokens, the asset will be also automatically transferred to support assets. And number 7, can I redeem my stake asset at any time? The answer is the system will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hours and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accurate keyword. Please maintain a stable staking amount to ensure mining reward. Number 8, can I add additional staking asset? The answer you can increase your assets stake asset at any time. The more tokens you stake and the greater your potential mining reward to however once the reward cap is reached you will no longer receive staking reward. Okay, my dear friends, and number 9. Thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot for joining me. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. And my dear friends, please vote for me. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? The answer is when there are multiple launchable projects ongoing at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new tokens, mining reward, or multiple projects. Each staking pool need to be staked separately. If you only stake assets a pool A or pool A, you will be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stake pool A or pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward. And question number 10. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The answer, the all reward hard cap per person for users project is different per month. The cap is reached for further staking reward will be granted, and please refer to the relevant announcement for the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Okay, my dear friends, and number 11, but will sticking acid in the launch pool impact my VIP levels? The answer is no. Acid is taken. Get launch pool will be include in the assets holding calculations for holders, airdrops, launch, and VIP privileges. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, my dear friends, this is all about FAQs, and this is the official. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends and holder airdrops. Holder airdrop, hold GT and get Mississippi airdrops for free. Airdrops receive 0 and cumulative airdrops 296.13 millions and participation 11.74 million plus and 278 projects launched. No project in holder airdrops now. Try launch pool and lock WXTM USDT to get WXTM airdrops with up to 1088.33 APR, 1088.33% APR. Welcome, dear. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, and all 278 and in progress 0, upcoming 0 and 278, and Leora is in. Thank you so much, thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, Leora total airdrops 6,66,668. Leora participations 14,219 and per GT 0.02 2075 Leora. Okay, and event 22nd August 2025. Increase GT within individual participation cap. The more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. And the project introductions. Leora is a decentralized Web3 platform empowering creators with true ownership of their contact data and the earnings built to challenge the constraint of a traditional Web2 platform. Leora enables users to publish freely, monetize and directly, and engage their community without immediately with tools and like creators, tokens, NFT integrators, and decentralized governance. Leora redefines and the creators' economy by the putting powers in the back into the hand of users where whatever you are, the writer and the artist and the influencer and or builders. Leora offers the fluctuators to create earn and the concept in a secure censor censorships and this resistance environment to where your voice and value are truly yours. Hi, dear friends. Please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And the founder is Medrick Borlet. Medrick Borlet is the founder and the CEO of Leora with over a decade of experience in blockchains, product development, and the digital contact platform. Then Medrick Borlet has the led multiple successful ventures, bridging Web 2 and Web 3 period up to funding. Leora, he is working on decentralized publishing tools and creators focused on app, and he is passionate about building an infrastructures that empowering the creators and ensure the contact ownership. Metric Nebula trend version of Leora is the redefine how to creators engage and grow and in a decentralized world. He holds a background is computer science and digital media, and it is the based in the Singapore, where he leads Leora global operations. My dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, my dear friend, project highlight. Leora empower creators by eliminating in the platform the gatekeepers and enabling full ownership to contact and renew key features including creators tokens launches the direct nft monetizations and the decentralized contact publishing and community driving the governance with web3 infrastructure. It is the core layer and ensure the transparency, security, and scalability. Or version is the redefined in the digital freedom. Dear friend, thank you so much. Leora is the ensure transparency, security, and scalability. Our version is the redefined in the digital freedom, where the creators and more contact and the deeper and build lasting communities on their own. In terms of Leora is the, where the creators and the economy truly begin. And the token economic. The Leora token powers by the creators economy on the Leora platform. It is to use to tipping in the creators tokens launch NFT minting and the governance voting and the necessary in the premium in the tools with the no intermediaries and the creators and directly in Leora. Fostering a fair, decentralized and incentivized in the ecosystem. And technical overview. Technical overview. Leora is built on decentralized Web3 infrastructure integrations in the smart contract NFT standard and the creators tokens protocol. It leverages in the scalability in the blockchain technology to ensure transparent monetizations and the secure contact ownership and real-time interactions are designed for creators. It's often the seamless wallet and integrations, low fees, and full control over digital assets. And token circulations status liquidity pool 10% community and staking reward 15% 10% unlock and TGE linear and unlock over 12 months according to the annual plan and the developers and ecosystem 25% and 10% unlock and TGE linear unlock over 24 months according to the annual plan and the team and advisor 15% and 10% unlock and the TGE linear and the unlock over 24 months according to the annual plan and the high quality contact creators and the operators Reward 15%, 10% unlock, and TGE linear in the unlock over 24 months according to the annual plan. And market and partnership 15%, 100% unlock, and TGE linear in the unlock over 24 months according to the annual plan reserved in the token for CEX is listing 5%. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. And reminder. Risk reminder: the trading market for the currency may experience significant fluctuations due to the technical, legal, regulatory, and others factors. Please thoroughly and understand the project details and the contact significance in the market researches before participating get.io, and they cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on the various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail by participating in the project. To accept your airdrop's terms and conditions. My dear friends, thank you so much. How to participate in get holder airdrops: as long as your GT hold and get account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking and staking GT. Which account GT holding is will be the including the calculations. The GT holding is a unified account, support account, isolated account, margin account, copy trading account, bot account, financial account, and a payment account excluded GT2 and a GT in crypto loan and a launchpad. Okay, how to airdrops amount calculated? The answer is once you join the project, and the system will be taken the GT holding, taking multiple random snapshots every hours, and they calculate the average only holding in the your final in the reward is based on your average holding during the entire project periods of your. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token receives your average hourly holding or participate average or hourly holding total airdrops amount. What is per GT? Budget is an estimate value indicating the number of airdrops tokens you could receive by participating in the holder airdrops project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that the per GT will change based on the total airdrops amount and the GT holding of all participating and the updating hourly. Okay, my dear friends, why are my holding counted by different across project? The answer: the system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holding, and depending on when you join each project, you calculate average holding may vary, and or if your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. And what is the individual participation cap? The answer is different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the detail page or the event announcement for more information. The question is what I can participate. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? The answer is yes. You can participate in multiple projects. And the question: how will the airdrops reward will be distributed? The answer is the reward airdrops will be calculated and distributed with 1 hours after the project, and you can check in any time in launch pool holder airdrops participation history. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And this is the official website empowering creators with decentralized. Decentralized control, 100% creators and 0% intermediary fees in the link tree. Decentralized ownership, creators empowerment and engage community transparent monetizations, users governance, contact freedoms. Empowering creators through decentralizations. Leora is a decentralized platform where creators control can contact monetizations and audience engagement with unlimited intermediaries in the offering transparency and fairness in the creators economy. Okay. Number one, ownership. Number two, freedom. Number three, monetizations. And number four, governance. Okay. And read white paper. What we do at Leora, we are the redefine redefine the creators economy by providing the decentralized platform that puts the creators in control of a platform, empowering creators too, and the on their contact creators maintain full ownership and control over the work and limiting and the risk associated with the decentralized platform. Monetizing the directly through creators tokens and the NFT, we offer the creators multiple a way to monetize their contacts without the intermediate and the talking a cut. My dear friend, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot. Engage with communities, Leora foster and the deeper and the connection between creators and their audience, enabling direct engagement and rewarding participations. Participate in governance. Our decentralized model allows creators and users to influence the platform's evaluation by voting on the decisions and the policies through Leora tokens. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Good morning, get user. Okay, my dear friends. Our process. Ideal ideations and the research. We identify creators and needed and develop solutions to empower them through decentralization, development, and testing. We built and test the platform using blockchains and technology to ensure security and ease to use, launch, and engagement. Creators, publishers publish contact, monetizing, engage directly with their audience, support by community building efforts. Okay, continue empowering through decentralized governance and feedback and refine the platform to meet user need. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, roadmap, identifications and development, market researcher on creators need a defined project vision and the objective draft, Leora white paper, assemble core development team, the community building in the outreach to creators and earlier draft and the host educational webinars in the launch, social media campaigns, partner with creators, communities, features, explanations, introduce creators tokens in the launch NFT marketplace, implement governance with Leora voting and the Please mobile app. Okay, my dear. and scaling and the optimize and they perform based on the feedback exchange market efforts and the enhance in the security and the contact adult and explore new partnership. Dear friends, thank you so much everyone. Okay, my dear friends, the Leora has revolutionized by creative process, and I now have full control on over my contact and the monetizations without intermediaries or censorship, and it is the freedom and transparency every creators need. Alex Jordan, digital artists and creators, meet our team. Medrick Blutron, CEO Libro, and David Young, Chef Young, Technology Officer, and the Danish Gujarati consultant. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much. And ready to join Leora. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. What we do, empower your creativity discovery the further of the content creations with Leora. Leora is the empower creators and they by providing and the decentralized platform and the platform that they transforms how content the creators share that they monetize. Our mission is ensure that creators have full control, ownership, and direct access to the audience. Okay, my dear friends, and creators retain complete right to the right to their work and the monetize content through the creators content tokens and NFT foster strong and the connections with audience and they keep a large share of engaging without fee and the participating in platform decisions with Leora tokens. Blockchain's technology ensures safe and reliable interactions and the easy navigations for creators. Okay, my dear. Okay, thank. Blockchain's technology ensures safe and reliable interactions, easy navigate for creators and users alike, and the regular updates based on community feedback. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much. Without Leora, the community, the creators, and the fair and a fair of and the supportive environment for all creators, helping in the them thrives in their digital economy. Join our dream, redefining the futures of the content creators, best revolution solutions for your business. What is Leora? Leora is a decentralized blockchain based on platform and empowering the creators by giving them full control over them, their contact data and the monetizations of the options. It limited and the intermediaries allow direct instructions between creators and their audience. Thank you so much, everyone. How do creators retain ownership of their content? Creators at the Leora publish their content using smart contract and their secure ownership right. The meaning they have the complete control over their the work and can manage the distribution and their monetizations. What are the creators tokens and how do they work? And the answer is the tokens creators is the unique tokens and the individual creators and the issue on response represent their work and community engagement. Fans can buy these tokens and access exclusive contact event, and they have the say in the creators' decisions, providing the directly way to support their favorite creators. And how does the revenue models work for creators? Leora allow the creators to monetize their content through various meaning and including direct and the scales for creators tokens and NFT sales and the transactions fees. Structure enabling these creators to keep a large share of their earning compared to traditional platform. Okay, what is the role of the Leora token? The Leora token is service the native currency of the Leora's ecosystem. It's used for transparent transaction governance and participating and staking to get to earn reward. Tokens the holder can vote and key personal fluctuation influencing the platform development and policies. My dear friend, thank you so much everyone ready to join Leora. Okay, this is all about Leora. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much everyone for joining me and okay, bye bye everyone. अल्लाह हाफिज़, फिर मुलाकात होगी एक न्यू टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.